18 and 19?
18 and 19.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Meantime, children, I will ask the oral also of table 18 and 19 in a dodging way. And you also have to write again. If you have already written, then also you have to write again table of 18 and 19 as your classwork, today's task. Farzan, don't sit. We are working here, we are writing here, we are learning maths. Open your notebook and start writing table of 18 and 19 in your notebooks. Everyone.
12 to 20.
Only 18 and 19 I said just now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
But ma'am,
morning.
I is done.
Vedi, again you have to write. Mute your mic. Vedi, mute your mic, please. So again,
I'm
I will
writing.
start. No one will unmute their mics, please. Anya Mittal,
Yes, ma'am.
18 Friza,
18 pieces.
Anya 18 Friza. Anya, many of the times you face network issue only. I don't.
Ma'am, I know till 70.
Learn tables, my dear. Learn tables. And start writing table of 18 and 19. I've already posted in the classroom. This is your assignment. This is your orals. You will be graded on the basis of this.
Ma'am, I have learned table till 12
Did
to
I
20.
ask Parinika? I am talking to Anya only just now. Okay, Arav Patel. Arav
Yes,
Patel.
ma'am.
18 Faiza.
18 5 are 75.
18 Faiza. 90. It is not 72. Ashvi.
I have said not 72. Then C.
Sivan. Put it down. Arav, okay, I will give you one more chance. 18 Forza.
What one?
18 Forza.
2 minutes.
Children, if you take so much time, how I will ask from all these children together?
Ma'am,
Neha, put your hand down.
ma'am, 86. Oh, ma'am,
No,
80. Ma'am,
no,
76.
no. Learn tables.
Ma'am, you are calling me?
Yes, Ashvi. Ashvi, 17 sevens. Ashvi, 17 sevens. Oh, sorry, 18 sevens.
18 sevens are 126.
Next is Anvi. Ashvi, mute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am.
Anvi, 18 Faiza.
18 5 are 90.
Ayansh Jain,
Yeah, ma'am.
18 sevens.
18 7. Ma'am, 126.
Ayush Singhania,
Yes, ma'am.
18 eights.
18 8s are. Ma'am, I haven't learned the table of 18 and 19.
Learn, please. Dharesha,
Yes, ma'am.
19 6.
19 6 is 144.
144. No.
Not one. Then 120. Ma'am, can you repeat?
19 6.
114.
Yes. Dhyan Dalal,
Yes, ma'am.
19 eights.
152.
Farzan Bastawala. 18 8 za.
18 8s are 120. Nah, 144.
Yes. Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
18 6 18 9 za.
18 9, sir. Ma'am, 162.
Dunav Gura.
Yes, ma'am.
18 6 za.
108.
Good. Jahan Jariwala.
Yes.
19 8 za.
19 8s are.
Turn on your camera, please.
Yeah. 152.
Yes. Jahan Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your camera, please. Can I ask Jahan? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
19 Pfizer.
95.
Jishna Swami.
Yes, ma'am.
18 6.
18 6 are 144.
No. Learn. And write both the tables again fast. There, don't sit. Write table of 18 and 19 in your notebooks. If you have already done, then also you have to write in your today's classwork again. Next is Jishna Kahan Jain.
What, ma'am?
19 7 za.
Ma'am, 19 cents are
Hmm.
133.
Karnav Patel. Karnav. Karnav to never listen in the class. Karnav. Khevna.
Ma'am, he's gone to the washroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Khevna, tell me. 18 Faiza. Khevna, 18 Faiza.
Yes, ma'am. 18 5 are 90.
Learn tables by heart.
Okay.
Khush Kapadia. Khush Kapadia. Yes. 19 7 za.
19 7s are 133.
Laksh Takral.
What, ma'am?
18 6 za.
18 6 are 108.
Good. Lamasha.
Yes, ma'am.
19 8 za.
Ma'am, 19 8 are 152.
Meet.
Yes, ma'am.
18 8 za.
18 8 are.
Gunav, sit properly. 18 8 za. You all are writing table of 18 and 19 in your notebooks? Because I can see all are just sitting.
Ma'am, I have wrote.
No, if
Ma'am,
I want,
also group in today's class only.
I want in today's class only both the tables.
ma'am, already written.
Lakshya, please write tables.
Ma'am.
I will see at last. You just right now, please write. Yes, Meet. 18 8 za.
114 means
No.
114.
No, 114 is not the answer. Meet, will you try it again?
Ma'am, 144.
Yeah, 144. Next is Man Rajoria. Man
Yes, ma'am.
Rajoria.
Yes,
18 4 za.
Ma'am, 152.
18 4 za.
18
Lakshya
4.
Takral. Sit properly.
Ma'am, 67.
No. 72. Learn tables. Mikdad.
Yes, ma'am.
18 sevens are
126.
Mohit.
Yes, ma'am.
18 fives are
90.
After Mohit, from the remaining students, I will ask later on. First, I will start today's topic now. Don't leave the class, stay in class. Till your class get over, please. Revision. Today, we will do the revision of profit and loss. Now, I will tell the child name. That child will only tell me what do you understand by the word profit, what do you understand by the word loss. Yes, Anvi Kothari.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which of that profit or loss?
Profit. Give
Ma'am,
me with
profit
the,
means
tell me with the example. Yes.
yes. If I am a customer and you are I am the shopkeeper and you are the customer. You buy 7 box of oranges and you of rupees 100 and you sell into 120. So 7 boxes of 120. So your profit will be 20 rupees.
In this, what is greater? The selling price is greater or the cost price is greater?
Selling price.
Selling price is greater. In that case, when the
Yes.
selling price is higher, mute your mic.
I tell the formula.
Yes, tell me, Lakshya.
CP plus
What do you mean by the word CP?
CP selling price,
CP is selling price.
SP selling price,
Hmm.
plus minus CP
Hmm.
cost price
Hmm.
is equal to profit and reverse CP cost price
Hmm.
minus
Hmm.
SP selling price
Hmm.
is equal to loss.
Very good. So, in which case you will earn the loss? When what is greater? What is higher?
The cost price.
Very good. In when we children, please write one word problem in the chat box on the basis of profit. In which case you will earn the profit. What is higher when you will earn the profit? What is higher? Write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, can you repeat, please?
When you earn the profit, in which case you earn the profit? Suppose I will give you one example. Suppose I am the sailor or I am not the sailor also. I have purchased something. I have purchased pens. Okay. I have purchased pens of rupees 15. Purchase price or the bought price. Bought means kharidna. Purchase also means kharidna. Purchase price is always the cost price. राइट परचेज प्राइस इज द कॉस्ट प्राइस मींस आपने जितने में खरीदा है इसको 15 रुपीज में खरीदा है इफ यू आर सेलिंग टू समवन अगर आपको वो काम नहीं आ रहा है और you are a shopkeeper you want to sell this pens and you are selling it at rupees 20 now this SP means selling price full form of SP is selling price full form of CP is cost price. When selling price is greater, in that case means you are earning a profit. अगर आपने किसी को ज्यादा में बेचा है, selling price आपकी higher है, in that case the situation is of profit situation. आपने profit earn किया है, right? So how to find the profit? When you minus selling price, when you subtract the higher value is selling price. So selling price minus cost price, you will always get the profit. Here the selling price is rupees 20.
Ma'am, I have made a word problem. Can I
I will check. Selling price is rupees 20 and the cost price is rupees 15. The profit is of rupees. Please, we will put the rupees sign also because we are dealing in rupees. So answer is rupees 5 is the profit. Reverse of is this, like the Alakshay told, when we do the ulta, like reverse of this situation, if we are writing the cost price first, because the cost price is higher. For example, if I change it,
Greater, ma'am. Cost price
yes,
is greater.
if I put a cost price
And the
20,
price
Many
is
of you have
smaller.
switched on your mic. Vihan Patel, Lakshay, switch off. When Renu madam will give you permission, that time only you switch on the mic.
Ma'am, my mic was off.
now the situation is reverse. Your cost price is higher. Your purchase price is higher. आपने ज्यादा में खरीदा है. Because of any reason अब आप उसको बेचना चाह रहे हैं. You want to sell it. And you are selling at a loss of price. You purchase at 20, but you are selling it as 15. So in that case, when cost price is higher, cost price minus selling price you are doing, 20 minus 15, when cost price is higher, in that case you will get the loss equal to loss. So loss of rupees 5. Got it, children?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, if the cost price and selling price is same, so there's no
Then
profit and loss,
No
ma'am.
profit, no loss. Okay. Sometimes this is also happen कि कुछ भी profit earn नहीं हुआ, आपने 20 में ही खरीदा, 20 में ही बेचा. So no profit, no loss situation. Okay.
That means none of above.
Did I give this option none of above? Write the answer on the basis of loss also and on the basis of please use the formula. Dhairya, why you are sitting like this today? Tired? You're not happy today in my class? So please be active. Frame the questions based on both the situations. In case of loss also, in case of profit also, solve it with the basis on the basis of formula.
Ma'am, we have to write 2 word problems together
Yes.
and we have to set, okay.
Yes, one based on the profit, another based on the loss. Write the formula also that how you will solve it.
I have to write this.
Yeah, Anvi has written, if I am a shopkeeper and you are the customer, you buy 10 chocolates of 50 rupees and you sell it on 100 rupees. So your 50 rupees will be your profit. Yes, because I purchased. Very good. I will read. Wait a minute. Vihan, I buy a cricket kit at rupees 735 rupees and sell it at 750 rupees. So it will be a profit of rupees 15 for me. Yes. Please write, use the formula also. Okay. Yashvi, what are you doing in the class? Sometime you drink, sometime you eat. You get time for this time only? Next is Jishna. 7 chocolate cost 47. 7 chocolate selling price is 67. If selling price is more than the cost price, it is a profit. And if selling cost price is more than the selling price, is the loss. Good. Now Trisha also has written something. So please children, now open your notebooks. I'll give you 2 formulas to write. Write revision, write topic profit and loss.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have given heading and first question I have write full forms and I have written SP full form and C.
Very
CP
good,
full
very,
form. It's
very
good.
good. Yeah, good, good. You write the, I am also giving you the notes in this way only. Selling price equals to, we will call it as SP. Cost price is equals to CP. And now if you need to find the profit, formula of calculating the profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Formula for finding the loss equals to cost price minus selling price. Write these formulas in your notebook. Now on the basis of this, I will give you one sum also.
Ma'am, did you read my word problem?
I will read. Okay, Kevna, I will talk to your parents after at the end. Trisha has also written. Okay. Anvi is done. Next is Anushka. If I bought a pen of rupees 10 and my friend asked to buy this from me, so I sell the pen as 25, so it is a profit for me. And your profit is, how much profit is? No. Anushka, how can be the 25 rupees is the profit?
Sorry, ma'am, it's 15.
The balance amount is the profit. When you subtract, after subtracting the balance amount which you get, that will be the profit. Not the whole amount is the profit. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, but I'd written it wrong.
जो आपने उसका extra amount लिया है ना, that will be the profit.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I know that.
Priya has written, I bought a toy train for rupees 345 and I sold it at rupees 400. Cost price is 345, selling price is 400. So the selling price is greater, and when you subtract selling price minus cost price, the profit will be 55. Yes. And our doll cost 124 rupees. It was sold in rupees 100. So it is 24 rupees loss for me. Yes. Yash Desai has written, I bought a car in 1 lakh and sell it in 2 lakh. 1 lakh profit. Very good. The figures are easy to subtract and to add. Yes, yes. Now is Parinika. If I am a wholesaler and a shopkeeper came to me to buy a game which cost rupees 380 and the shopkeeper sold it at 400, so he had a profit of rupees 20. Very good. Please use rupees sign also. Okay. Next is Kush Kapadia.
Ma'am, I don't have rupees sign in the
No problem, no problem. Kush Kapadia, if I buy a football of rupees 1000 and sell it the 2000, profit is 1000. Okay, good. Yash has repeated the same. Then Lamha, Reena purchased a dozen of mangoes for 150 and sold 1 dozen same mangoes for 200. So what will be the profit or loss? So in that case, you were earning the profit of rupees 50. So Reena had a profit of rupees 50. Very good.
Spelling of formula?
Ma'am, my formula is correct.
Yeah, formula, formulas.
Ma'am,
Yes,
you
yes.
write in board?
formulas, formulas, or formula, then A only.
Okay.
Ma'am, is my
Yes,
correct?
yes, correct.
Ma'am, is mine correct?
Yeah, but please, children, here though I can excuse you that you don't have a rupees sign. But whichever the unit is used, whichever, if it is used paisa, if it is used rupees, please mention in the answer also. If you don't mention, your half marks will be cut in. Am I clear? Here
No,
I
I don't
can
have
excuse
rupees.
you. Here I will excuse you, no problem.
I have
Twisha,
written.
Ma'am, check mine.
Twisha has written, I took some watches from my friend for rupees 50 and sold it 70. Rupees 20 profit. Rupee sign will come first and then 20 will come first. Okay. Next. Ayansh has written, I go shopping, I take a bag of rupees 100 and sell it at rupees 200. So the 100 rupees profit. I bought Migdad. I bought a football of rupees 890 and sell it at 800. Then it's a loss of 90.
Ma'am, 6.
Yes.
Ma'am, this I written.
Very good, very good. Lakshya, let me read what you have written. Show me. Good.
Thank you.
Samriddhi, I will read yours later. Now, next with the more formulas. First, we will solve one question based on these formulas which I have explained you, and then give you the more formulas I will give you. Okay. The one example is a shopkeeper bought a dictionary. You all know what is dictionary?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do with the dictionary? A shopkeeper bought
words and its
meanings. Yes, yes. It was very
Ma'am,
helpful.
we have to write this in the revision.
Yes. A shopkeeper bought a dictionary for rupees.
Ma'am, you have to write this question in notebook.
I will not give the same answer to everyone. I already announced in the class. Please start writing in your notebooks. If you ask the same question, sorry then. a dictionary for rupees 162.50 paisa and
Sold in 265.
sold it for
265.
I will give you one numbers. Sold it for rupees 195. What is his profit और लॉस? जो भी निकला इसका प्रॉफिट निकला कि लॉस निकला है, यू फाइंड आउट एंड राइट. Please
Ma'am.
mention. First, whenever you try to do like these sums, you first mention what is your cost price, what is your selling price, and then write the formula of finding the profit or loss.
Ma'am, it is profit.
Fine, write fast.
Ma'am, it is rupees 162.50.
Yes. Mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Samriddhi, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, after rupees 190. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
after point we pronounce it as 50 or 50.
50. After decimal, we read it as single. And we can call it as 50 paisa also.
Ma'am, we have to write question or only answers.
No question also.
Ma'am, can I say?
Write in the chat box.
Okay.
Solve
Ma'am,
it in
both
your
is
notebooks. Solve it in notebook, please. Check Ayansh now.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Okay, I was reading Samriddhi's question. Samriddhi has written, if I am shopkeeper, then I sell 10 boxes candy to Anna rupees so much, 20,500, and then Anna is selling it 30,000. So the cost price is 20,500, selling price is 30,000, profit is 500. Good. Rudra Mangokia, I bought a book of rupees 40 and sell it at 50. Profit is 10. Sorry. There, if a shopkeeper is giving 5 pencil box of rupees 100 rupees and I had 5 and sell it at 50 rupees, so there is a loss of me for rupees 50. Tina bought a dress in rupees 60 and sell it at rupees 90, so 30 rupees profit for Sheena. There is okay. Next is Rudra Master. Profit. I bought a book of rupees 40 and sell it 50. This is copy paste. So I will not read it again. Vivan Patel. If I bought a football 250 and sell it at rupees 350, 150 profit. Rudra Master is doing copy paste only. So I will not read it. Parinika. If I am a customer and went to mall to buy some clothes in rupees 800, but the shopkeeper purchased it in 500, so he had a profit of, I am a customer and I went to mall to buy some clothes in rupees 800, but the shopkeeper purchased it 500, so he had a profit of, just check Parinika, check the language of your question again.
Okay, ma'am.
Mr. Ambani bought 2 Audis. Oh, Meet Kevlani, very nice. Mr. Ambani bought 2 Audis in 80 lakh and sell in both in how many lakhs?
Ma'am, not lakh, it's 2 crore.
Okay, 2 crores. Yes. First is 80 lakhs, right?
Ma'am, it is C.
Then,
Of 40 lakhs.
then for crore you put C. No, why you put K?
Sorry, I forgot.
2 crore and his profit is 3 crore. My dear, please check this. Big calculation. You need to check it. I bought a brand new model of Tesla, which is of 5 lakh and I sell it as 6 lakh. 1 lakh. 1 lakh is what?
I think ma'am 50
Ma'am,
lakh.
1 lakh is my profit.
No, it is 5 lakh, right?
Yes. And ma'am, the profit is my profit is 1 lakh.
1 lakh. I bought a laptop of rupees 10,000 and sold it at 15,000. Profit is 55,000. There is a car of 5 lakh, so I bought it and I sell car of 6 lakh, so I have a profit of 1 lakh. I buy a toy car 100 and sold it 69. So it is the loss for me. 31. Very good. So you know how to figure out and how to add and subtract.
Excuse me,
Good
ma'am.
children. Yes.
Ma'am, I meant that I went to a shop for buying clothes and one cloth purchased 800, but the shopkeeper purchased it in 500. So he had a profit of 300.
Okay, okay. The cost price for the shopkeeper was 500 only, and he sold it at rupees 800. You mean to say this, right? He sold
Yes,
it to
ma'am.
you at 800. So the 300 profit is for shopkeeper.
Ma'am, can you give more questions?
Yes. I will move to the next now.
Can you read my?
I will come back. I will come back. Meantime, I'll give the sums to the students.
Ma'am, I can't see the question properly.
Now check. Someone can
Yes.
please write in the chat box if you can write my question in the chat box. Gunav, I will come to you next. What was the answer for this, my dear children? What was the answer?
Ma'am, profit of rupees 32.50.
Yes, profit of rupees 32 rupees 32.50 50 paisa. If your answer is this, then your answer is correct. Okay, can I move to the next now?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I didn't write the question.
Someone can anyone write my question in the chat box to help Ayush? Lama, will you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write my question in the chat box. Now, next topic is calculating cost price. Means you need to find out the cost price. You don't know the cost price. आपको पता नहीं है.
Ma'am, I returned my solution.
Okay, I will check it later now. Look here now. In this situation, when you don't know the cost price, आपको पता नहीं है आपने कितने में खरीदी थी या शॉपकीपर ने कितने में खरीदी थी. But आप in this case, if you know the selling price and the profit, आपको profit पता है, selling price पता है. So what you will do in that case? You know the selling price is 200 and the profit is
Ma'am,
50. What is the cost price in this case?
250.
No, cost price में profit कैसे add होगा? Selling आपने 200 पे करा था, profit आपको उसके अंदर 50 add हुआ है. So what
250.
what was your cost price?
150.
150. So the formula of finding this cost price, when you have a selling price, you have a profit. You need to find out the cost price. So selling price minus profit will give you the cost price. For example, here the selling price is 200 rupees 200 minus the profit is rupees 50. So what will be the cost price? Rupees 150. Got it, children? When
Yes,
selling
ma'am.
price and profit is
Ma'am,
given,
can you read my
Yes, ma'am.
problem in chat box?
I will read. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ayansh.
Ma'am, we have to minus cost price and profit, no?
No. Cost price और profit कैसे? Cost price तो आपके पास है ही नहीं. Suppose you know कि कोई चीज थी. Suppose this was a duster. You don't know ये कितने का था. पर you know जिसने बेचा उसको 20 रुपीस में सेल किया. उस 20 रुपीस सेलिंग प्राइस में प्रॉफिट इंक्लूड है. सेलिंग प्राइस के अंदर प्रॉफिट इंक्लूड होता है ना.
Yeah, ma'am.
सेलिंग प्राइस के अंदर प्रॉफिट 5 रुपीस इंक्लूड है. सो इसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या थी?
So we will minus this and get the answer.
Yes, we will minus this from selling price. Always remember selling price में profit include होता है. तो जब आप सेलिंग प्राइस में से प्रॉफिट को माइनस करोगे तभी आपके पास कॉस्ट प्राइस आएगी. Am I clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Can't understand that.
Ashvi, always remember that in selling price the profit is included. Profit या loss जो भी होता है वो selling price में होता है included, right? अगर आप
Please, can you read?
Rudra Master, can you please wait? For example, this duster, I don't know what was the cost price of this duster. I know someone sell it at rupees 20 and he is telling I have earned a profit of rupees 5. So what was the cost price of this? Always remember, Ashvi, I am asking from you. Yes, Ashvi. Ashvi, I am asking from you. Then you will say, ma'am, I have not understood. You are playing. Ashvi. She behaving like she is not able to hear me. So what was the cost price, children? It was 15 rupees because the profit was included in the selling price. Am I clear now? So whenever you have a selling price, you have a profit, subtract the profit from the selling price, you will get the cost price. Clear? In reverse of this, if you have a loss, what you will do?
We will add.
We will add. We will add. Reverse of this, if you have a selling price, you have a loss. In that case, what will be the profit? Suppose 200 is the selling price, loss is 50. What will be the cost price?
150.
No. In that case, you will add the loss. You will get 250.
Ma'am, 250 is our answer.
Yes. So now next topic is calculating selling price. You are not having the selling price. You have, wait, selling cost price only. Calculating the cost price only. But now the situation changed. You have a loss. And you need to find out the cost price. What you will do now? So cost price equals to selling price plus loss. Yes, tell me. Rupees 200 plus rupees 50. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, can you repeat? I can't hear.
Ma'am, 250.
150.
When you were calculating the cost price, you were having, आपके पास selling price है, आपको selling price पता है कि ये जो चीज है कितने में सेल की गई थी. So suppose I told that this is the duster. Meet, are you listening me? This is the duster. I sell it on at rupees 20 and I earned rupees 5 profit.
Ma'am, loss of rupees.
No, I am explaining him both the situations now. Profit. So profit is already included in the selling price. If you have a selling price and the profit, you need to subtract the profit from the selling price. You will get the cost price. Got it, Meet? Now in this situation, now loss is coming. तो अब आप लॉस को क्या करोगे? ऐड करोगे सेलिंग प्राइस के अंदर, तो यू विल गेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस. गॉट इट चिल्ड्रन? यस और नो? Now next is, now you have the selling price. You need to wait, calculating the selling price, and you have cost price and the profit. What you will do?
Ma'am, we will subtract.
You have cost price. आपने खरीदी थी कोई चीज खरीदी थी आपने 150 पे, उसमें आपको प्रॉफिट हुआ ₹20 का। अब इस केस में सेलिंग प्राइस क्या होगी? What will be the selling price? Find out and tell me what you will do. What will be the formula of finding the selling price?
Ma'am,
When you have-
170.
Yes. So cost price plus profit हो जाएगा यहाँ पे
70.
Ma'am, we
it will be rupees. Vivan Patel, 150 minus 20 plus 20 equals to 170. Reverse of this, when you have a loss and you have a selling price,
We will subtract.
we will subtract. Reverse of this, when you need to find out the selling price and you have a cost price minus loss. So, for example, if I give you selling price is, you need to find out the cost price is 200, loss is 10. This is the loss, ₹10. In that situation, what will be your selling price?
190.
Very good. 200 minus 10. This is the next question. It is ₹190 will be your selling price.
What is the loss?
Loss is ₹10. Loss is, cost price is 200, loss is 10. So the selling price will be cost price minus loss. 200 minus 10 is 190. Clear? I will repeat this again tomorrow. Be prepared. I will ask the questions from you tomorrow in my live class. Come prepared, children, and I will send you a Google form based on it. Complete it and send me today. I'm done with my today's
Okay,
class,
ma'am.
children. Thank you.